Sino sa tingin niyo yung at fault dito, yung employer o yung applicant? Here's what happened. This was posted in one of the VA groups na member ako sa Facebook. This was coming from the employer. So this employer was offering VA services to clients, and when she was ready to expand, naghanap siya ng contractor. In the now deleted post, hindi niya nabanggit kung ano yung nationality ng VA or contractor na napili niyang applicant, but they agreed that they will have a paid trial. So nagawa ng applicant yung trial task. She likes to work and she was ready to have this person full-time. This person processes her pay sa mga contractors during the weekend because she said that was what's convenient for her. Now, hindi rin nabanggit sa post yung agreement kung kailan niya babayaran yung paid task. Nagsimula ang problema nung yung contractor ay nag-send sa kanya ng invoice for the paid trial task. Every day after that, follow-up na daw ng follow-up yung contractor sa invoice. So everyday nagpa-follow up to the point na nagiging annoying na yung mga follow-ups about sa invoice. Or not, this employer replied to say na sa weekend niya nababayaran. She also left that part out. When the weekend comes, kung kailan siya napaprocess ng payment, she noticed na mali yung amount na na-invoice ng applicant. Imbes na AUD, USD yung nasa invoice. So hindi niya binayaran yung applicant for that weekend. Applicant was not happy. Doon nagkaroon ng exchange tungkol sa hindi niya pagbayad. Time I saw this post, hindi ko na nabasa yung mga comments because it was deleted. So there are many details na hindi ko na nakita. But in general, they agreed for a paid trial task. Nag-follow up ang applicant for the payment. This person has her own schedule for processing the payment. It ended up na mali yung amount sa invoice kaya she did not pay her. The applicant was not happy. She probably thought she was scammed because maraming mga trial tasks ngayon na iniiwan na sila ng employer pagkatapos sila magawa yung trial task. So I understand yung takot siguro sa part ng applicant na baka pinagawa lang siya and then tinakbuhan. And then on the part of the employer, she ended up not hiring this person because she was not happy of how it turned out. What do you think about this situation? Meron bang at fault dito? Kung wala man, ano sa tingin nyo yung mas magandang ginawa para mas naging maayos ang process dito that could have benefited both parties? Let me know in the comment section.